Hey guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to create your own site in the Google Sites. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So when you log on to your Google Drive and when you go to this Google Sites, which is sites.google.com, this link will be provided in the description. So once you go to this site, you will see something like this. So you'll be able to see some different templates here, and also when you go to this section, you can see sites, classic sites, docs, sheets, slides, forms, and many more settings that you can see. So firstly, you need to click on the plus icon to start creating your site. So firstly, let's go to this plus icon and let's click on it. Or else you do have many templates here in the template gallery, so just click on the template gallery to see the templates present. So you can even use the templates, like you can see you do have like personal template for your personal site and your work templates, so which are categorized based on their themes. So for your, if you are having a small business, you can use this kind of templates. And also if you can just scroll down, you can see that for the education related sites you do have some templates. You can just click on them to see. So this is how this looks like. So here is a quick tour which says that you can use insert to insert your content on this template. And then it says that you can organize your site, drag the content where you want, like you can just drag and drop things like images and all here. And then you can see that you can even work with your team, like if you do have a team to work with, work on the site, you can do work with others. You can share the site or you can let others to edit it. And then you can see that when you are all good with the site, you can publish this site. So okay, you got it. Now you can see the preview of the site, how it looks like, and you can make changes to the site too. So firstly, let's go back here and let's see this blank one too. So let's do it from the scratch. Let's see how it looks like. So when you click on this plus icon, you can see something like this. So this is this do not have anything pre-built into it, so you yourself have to do it from the scratch. So one thing to be noted is that your all sites are stored in the drive. So then all the changes you do will be stored in the drive. So now let's see how you can name your site. So when you create a new site, it's added to drive just like other drive files. So sites automatically saves every change you make, like but your site isn't public until you publish it. So then it will be personally visible to you on your drive, but it will not be publicly published until you publish this site using this publish button. So then now you can see how the name different parts of your sites. So there are three different parts of your sites where you need to name your page or your site. Let's see how. So the first one is site document name. So this is the site document name. So here you need to enter name to keep track of your site. So the site document name is only visible to you, not to others. Like it is not publicly visible, it is only for your sake, like to your identification and all. So let's first quickly change this site document name. I'll make it to be my first site. First site. So I am done with naming this. So this looks nice. Yeah. So here your changes are automatically saved in the drive, you can see it. And now let's see the next name. So the next is site name. This is the site name which you can see here. The site name appears in the header and in the web or mobile window title bar after you publish the site. You need to have 2 or more pages in your website for your site name to appear. And then here I'll make my site name, I'll just make it to be my first site, or else I can change it to any other. So for now I'll let it be my first site. And the third name will be your page title. So each page in your site has a title which appears at the top of the page. The page title also appears in the navigation menu too. So you can change this just by clicking here. You can just give your page title. So let me tell this page to be my beauty blog. This is some title I just wanna give a time being. So now we are done with naming your site, and now let's go to the third part, that is selecting a layout for your site. So here on the right side you can see many layouts, so which you can select for your site. So you can see different kind of sections, and let's say I want this kind of section. So you just choose on the layout and it will be directly added to your workspace, like your site where you are editing with. And then the fourth step will be selecting a background image, header type and a theme for your site. So for this, choose a look for your site. Each theme comes with a present background, color scheme and font selection. You can adjust fonts, colors and background later, and you can always change the theme after the site is created. If you need to make any changes, you can just you do have an option to click undo or redo. You can do that, so it's very handy to you. And firstly, let's see how to change the background image. So here you can see the change image option, as this is working from the scratch. But if you go to the template, here you can see, here you will also get this change image option. So let's click on this, and here you can select the image or you can upload it from your local computer. So these are the images that are in this that are by default added to this. So let's click on this, let's click on upload. If you want to upload it from your PC, click on the select image if you want to choose one among these, or else you can just search them, or by URL you can paste the URL of the image here. And from your albums you can get it, like if you add any albums you'll get it. I have only one album, like only one picture in my albums. And you can also get it from the Google Drive too. So this is how it works. So after let me check it. So let's give this and click on select, and you can see that it has changed. And now you can click on reset to go back to the original image. And then now let's see how to change the header type. So here you can see on the background image you can see header type. So click on this, and you can see some options like cover, large banner, banner, title only. You can select any one of this. So for now I want large banner, so I'll just click on it and I'll just go back. And now the third one will be changing the theme and font style. So in the top right corner you can see themes. Click on the themes, and here you can find many themes. So you can choose one theme, and let's click on this, and you can see it changed. And even we can change the colors like this. To choose a font style, click on font style, and here you can choose your font style. Let's say this is my font style, so this is how it looks like. Now going to the fifth step, that is add, reorder and nest pages. Add pages for more content. Keep related information together by nesting pages. Nested pages appear as a subtopic of another page. So firstly, let's see how can we add pages. So here you can see a section called as pages. Click on the pages, and here click on the plus icon. Click on the new page, and here you can give your new page some name. So I'll just call it my second page. So let's say it is the name. Click on done. So it is this is how it is done. And you can even add click on new link, and here you can add your link to your sites, like link to your different pages also you can add here. So let's say if I want to give this my new page name to be my second page, and my link to be my second page link. So this is how it looks like. So you can just check the box or uncheck this depending upon your requirement. Like when they click on this, they will be this site will be opened in the new tab. So click on done in order to add this. So this is how this is done. And the second one will be reorder or nest pages. And now again click on the pages, So here you can just drag your pages up and down to just change their order, or else you can even make them as their nested pages, like you can just drag this and drop it here. Let's drop it here, so that it becomes a sub page to art page. Or else if you want to make it as a sub page to the classes page, you can just drop it here. Or else if you want to make it like a independent page, like it is not a nested page to any page, so you can just drop it like this, and you can even reorder the pages up and down like this. You can do it. And the third one will be choosing page options. So under the page, and click on these three dots, and here you can see that you do have some options like make home page, duplicate page, properties, add sub page, hide from navigation. So you can either make this page as your home page, or else you can create a duplicate page for this, and also you can add sub pages for your home page. You can even delete your page, but if it is your home page, you cannot delete that. If it is your home page, you cannot hide it from the navigation. So these are the things that are to be remembered. And then next, let's go to the sixth step, that is set up the site navigation. So if you have more than one page, visitors to your site use the navigation menu to jump to different pages. By default, the navigation menu is at top of your site, in the right top corner here. So if you can move the navigation menu to the left side if you want, but you need to have one or more pages on your site to change it where it appears. This navigation bar appears whenever you have more than one page. So to set where this has to be appeared, go to the settings, and when you go to the navigation, you can find the modes. There are two kinds of modes. One is top and side. Currently this is set to the side. If you want it to be top, you can even make it to appear in the top like this. Here you can see the navigation bar. So this is how you can create your site, and you can name your site. You can select a layout, you can select the background image, header, type and theme, and you have learned how to reorder your pages, how to nest your pages, and also you have learned how to set up site navigation. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the PC Tips Pro.